In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch Telegram videos in the app without using terabox. A lot of people run into this issue. You tap a video in Telegram, and instead of playing smoothly inside the app, it tries to send you to an external service like terabox, or it just won't play properly. The good news is, in most cases, you can fix this by adjusting a few settings and using Telegram's built-in features, so you can watch your videos right inside the app. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure you're on the latest version. If you haven't updated in a while, head over to your app store and install any available updates. Newer versions often improve media playback and fix bugs that might cause videos to open in other apps. Next, go into the conversation that contains the video you want to watch. Tap once on the video thumbnail. If the file has fully downloaded, it should start playing inside Telegram's own video player. If you see a download icon or a spinning circle, wait for it to finish. Watching inside the app usually requires the video to be downloaded first, especially for longer clips. If your video keeps trying to open in terabox or another external app, this usually means your system has that app set as the default for certain video links. To fix this, go into your phone's settings. Then, to the Apps or Application Manager section. Find the terabox entry, open it, and look for something like Open by Default or Set as Default. Clear those defaults so your device stops forcing Telegram video links to open there. After that, go back to Telegram and try tapping the video again. It should now stay inside Telegram's built-in player. On some devices, when you tap a video, you may see a pop-up asking which app you want to use. Always choose Telegram or Internal Player, and if there is an option to use it just once or always, pick Always for the best experience. If the video still doesn't play inside the app, check your storage and connection. Make sure you have enough free space on your device and that you're on stable Wi-Fi or have good mobile data. You can also open Telegram settings, go to Data and Storage, and allow automatic media download for the type of network you're using. Once these are set up correctly, you should be able to tap and watch most Telegram videos smoothly, right inside the app, without ever needing terabox.